In this video, I'll show you how to use the Prime Slider add-ons for Elementor and why it is one of the best free slider plugins for Elementor. After watching this video, you will be able to create beautiful looking sliders just like this. What's more, you can also create sliders for Woocomerce products and even your blog posts. In this tutorial, we will use the lite version of Prime Slider, which is free, while the pro version is filled with different types of sliders and tons of features. The lite version is more than enough for average user. Let's install and activate the Prime Slider. I have already activated the plugin. Before we start editing, let me activate all the Prime Slider widgets, and to do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Prime Slider. Now click on it, then go to core widgets and click on activate all. It will activate all the free slider widgets. Let's do the same for third-party widgets and save settings. Now that's out of the way, let's start editing, shall we? So using the Prime Slider is fairly easy. All you need to do is open a page with Elementor, then search for Prime or Slider, and now let's drag and drop a widget. I'll be using the general widget, which has 4 different skins, as you can see, and you can use any of them. Now under content we have the layout, sliders, social icons, slider settings, etc. Let me walk you through each of them. First we have the layout, and under layout we have many options such as skin, slider ratio, and many options to customize the slider layout. Next we have sliders. You can edit content and add new sliders from here. Below that we have social icons. Then we have slider settings, slider animations. Let's edit the slider. I have imported a few images to use. Now to add these images as background, go to sliders, then open an item. Now let's change the background type to image and add one. So I have added 3 images. Now let's customize the slider. Now let's decrease the height a little bit. First of all, I want to change the skin. Now let's decrease the height a little bit. To do that, we need to change the slider ratio. Let's change the slider ratio to 16:8. Now let's remove the subtitle and dots. Let's add some demo content. And to do that, go to sliders, slider items. Now let's edit the text. Go to optional to change the description. Let's change it. You can also add new items or slides by clicking on the copy button or add button, just like this. Now slider settings have many options, including basic slider settings such as loop, autoplay, and animation speed. It also offers advanced options such as pause on hover, slider animations, etc. The sliders are SEO friendly and well optimized. Feel free to play with its settings and options. Overall, Prime Slider is probably the best free slider plugin for Elementor. It acts like a free slider evolution alternative. If you want the video on how to display WooCommerce product as sliders, then please let me know.